Today in Growing STEM, we are exploring the power of ideas. We're talking about big ideas from today's middle and high school students that are on display at a recent Northeast Ohio Science and Engineering Fair.
It was so big that it took up 2 floors at Cleveland State University. Our Betsy Kling shows us how future scientists and engineers can change our world.
Months and months of research and experiments have come down to this: the Northeast Ohio Science and Engineering Fair. 300 projects from 7th to 12th grade students across our region. From tracking the weather to what structure can hold up in an earthquake, the entries span the biological and physical sciences. Students are tackling real-world questions about the environment, artificial intelligence, and more.
And so they are concerned about the environment. They're doing research that are of interest to them, that are applicable to real life. So it's not just, let's find out how the wind moves and things like that. So that's just fascinating to me.
These might not look like much, but they could be the future of plastic.
How about paper made from invasive plant species to replace the use of plastics?
The climate isn't going to get any better if we don't do anything about it. That's why I really want to encourage people to try making something. Even if it might not seem a lot, it could be something big.
Another big idea, using AI to determine what plants have diseases to prevent the loss of crops.
My aim is to reduce the amount of food that's being wasted every single year because of crop diseases. Increasingly, we're going to end up needing more food as the population around the world continues to grow. And so my aim is to reduce the amount of food that we're losing so that it's easier to meet the aim that we need.
Not only did the students step up, so did local companies. Over 200 professionals served as judges.
I'm proud of the kids. I'm proud of the volunteers that offer up their time, the professionals.
Multiple first-place winners took home cash prizes. 5 grand prize winners will represent Northeast Ohio in the International Science and Engineering Fair in Los Angeles in May. They'll be among 1,800 projects from 80 countries.
So we know that we're doing, scientific work that is comparable to the rest of the world, and it's just very fascinating to see how they do.
For Growing STEM, I'm Betsy Kling, 3 News.
How fantastic. Okay, so first of all, we want to congratulate the 5 grand prize winners. And here's the list. We're going to show the list to you. Again, they're going to get an all-expenses-paid trip to compete in Los Angeles. It happens this May. To John, Nathan, Robbie, Tatiana, and Nina, congratulations, and we are wishing you all the best.